Here's how I made these viral videos of vegetables and fruits explaining how they work straight from my phone. These videos are getting millions of views every single day, and you can make them using only two tools. First, I open ChatGPT, where I navigate to the GPT store and search for Object Talk. Then, I type in a banana as object and copy the main prompt. Next, punta kayo sa website na ito. To access, click the link in the description below. Go to Image tab and select the Nano Banana Pro model, and then paste the prompt. Generate the image, and it gives you instantly clean visuals to work with. And finally, I switch to Video tab, choose Veo 3.1, upload your best image or the image we made earlier, paste the script, and generate the video. And you'll end up with clips that look like this.
Hi, I'm a peach, and I help your body by improving digestion, hydrating your skin, and giving you natural glow energy. Hi, I'm an eggplant, and I help your body by fighting inflammation, supporting digestion, and keeping your heart healthy. Hi, I'm a banana, and I help your body by giving you potassium for energy, happy muscles, and smoother digestion.
If you want more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe.